Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word apartheid. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. During the apartheid era in South Africa, racial segregation and discrimination were widespread and enforced by law. Apartheid refers to the system of institutionalized racial segregation and discrimination, particularly in South Africa, where non-white citizens faced oppression and inequality. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.